Hey, it's Jody from 123 Minimize, and today we're talking about your bedroom. Do you have lots of clutter and decorations and throw pillows and stuff in your room that no longer bring you joy and you don't want anymore? Well, this is a good day to sit down and think about all the stuff that you have in your room. We're not talking about your linens and we're not talking about your clothing today. We're just talking about the stuff. So maybe gather all your stuff together and then go through it and see what you really want. After being a minimalist for many years, we decided not to have decorations on our end tables. We did actually for a long time, but for me it collected dust. We don't spend as much time in our room looking at our decor as maybe I thought I would. I don't have throw pillows because nobody really sees our room except us, well, and now you, but it was the kind of thing that would just end up on the floor and then I'd have to pick it back up and put it back in the bed. And so it was more work for me, but the work for me didn't equal the joy that I got from it. And so I donated those throw pillows. If you love your throw pillows and they bring you joy, then you should keep them because there is not a one size fits all for any of these tasks of simplifying your home. How do you like to set up and decorate your bedroom that brings you joy and makes your life easier?